In this video, we're going to look at configuration, and basically configuration is as a way of improving the user experience. Now, we've got to understand that when we configure the system, we're not technically improving the system in any way on the way the system functions itself. It's basically changing the way the user interacts with the system and making the user more efficient in what they do on the system. So this may be through how the actual GUI appears, or it could be through ways such as pinning things to the actual taskbar. And we're going to look at both those things today. So what we're going to do first is do some personalization of my actual desktop. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to personalize. Under personalize, you can see I've got a few areas here. I can see there's themes. I've got obviously default themes, but I can also bring in my own types of themes as well. And I can change certain colors of my systems and sounds and a whole bunch of things like that. So let's do just a bit of changing of the simple things here. So let's go to desktop background. And maybe I'm sick of this little flower in the back corner, okay? Maybe I might make it something a bit more of my favorite color, okay, to inspire me a bit more through the day. So let's maybe go to one of the blue options and we'll go here. Okay, and we'll go save changes. Okay, and I can see behind my taskbar that there's been a change, but we'll hold off on a sec from looking at my screen. And then let's go to colors, and this obviously changes the appearance of the actual title bars on all my windows. Okay, so there's a whole range of them here that I can use, and we might go for a bit of a darker blue here. Okay, for that color. As you can see, I can reduce the color intensity as well in personalizing my desktop. Once again, save changes, and then I might close this window. Okay, and as you can see, I've personalized my desktop. Okay, basically now this obviously means nothing to the system itself, but it may be a bit more inspiring to me if I've made the desktop background a picture that I like and make me want to interact with the system more. So remember, this is all user orientated. The other things I might do is what I actually have on my taskbar down here. Now, this would be on improving or configuring the system to improve my efficiency. Okay, so let's get rid of some things first and then maybe we'll bring them back. So as you can see, I've got Firefox down here. If I right click on it, I can unpin this from the taskbar. Okay, and now Firefox is gone. Okay, so let's say I go, oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, I do need to access Firefox quite a lot. I know you can see it already here on my desktop and that's already put it in a place there. But remember, I'm not always going to have quick access to my desktop either, and shortcuts are another way of configuring the system itself. So let's go into my actual applications and we'll go find Firefox once again. So we'll do a search. Where are you, Firefox? There it is. Okay, we'll click on Firefox. Okay, it'll open up. Okay, but I don't necessarily want to use it now, but it has appeared back on my taskbar again. So I'm going to go right click on it, and then I'm going to pin this program to the taskbar. Okay, and that should lock it in. And I can even move where it stays on my taskbar as well, and it's back in its original spot. I'll close Firefox now, but as you can see, the icon stays there once again as it is now pinned to the taskbar. So I hope this video has shown you a few ways you can configure the system to help improve efficiency on the user side, whether it's just setting some personalized characteristics of the GUI that make the user feel more inspired to use the system, or making certain apps more accessible for the user to actually use when they're doing their day-to-day work. This all relates to configuration.